Hello everyone, this is JJ from Budget Zero. You know I love technology, and every time I get a new piece of technology or even a used one, I'm gonna want to tell all of you. So today, we'll be discussing whether this is the best budget PC you can get right now. And I'll tell you the price of each component and equipment I got over here on my setup. First of all, here we have our PC. Actually, I bought this PC used or second-hand from my friend, and it total cost around 700 Aussie dollars, which means this is around 550 US dollars approximately. I'm going to tell you about some specification on my PC, and you guys can determine whether it is worth the price. So first, I'm going to introduce you the brain of this PC, which is the CPU and the motherboard. So the CPU or computer processing unit is an Intel i5 4670K running at a 3.4 GHz base speed. Okay, its motherboard is an Asus Z87 motherboard, and it has a RAM of 12 GB DDR3, which is not as much, but we can actually buy new RAM later and then change it, so I'm not so concerned about that. Same goes with my 128GB SSD and 500GB HDD storage space, so we can just change it later if I want more, but right now it is sufficient enough. And then we have the heart of the whole gaming PC, which is the GPU or the graphics card. It is running on an MSI GTX 1660 6GB. Even though it's not like Thai or Super, but it is the most budget gaming graphics card that you can get right now. And what I like about it can run most of the games before 2020 in HD, and it can run my Adobe softwares like Premiere Pro or Photoshop. Next, we have our 31.5 inches monitor. It is an AOC brand, which is a really budget monitor brand, and I also bought this second-handed. But you guess how much I actually got this monitor for in US dollars? It actually only cost me 90 US dollars to buy this second-hand monitor, almost less than half of the current market price. Then we have the budget keyboard and mouse combo. Actually, I made a video reviewing this keyboard. If you want to check it out, just click somewhere around here. This budget gaming keyboard and mouse combo actually only cost me 45 US dollars, and it is a really good one. I've been using it for almost a year now. No problems, all the lights still work, and the mouse still works perfectly without any issues. Then we have the Logitech speakers, which we can get around 10 US dollars from Amazon, which is also really cheap and decent. So I put my speakers down like this. And finally, this adapter, this extra adapter I got from, I think, Big W. It cost me 15 Aussie dollars or 10 US dollars. And it has 3 USB slots that I can put my keyboard, my mouse, and anything else. So what do you think of my budget PC setup? Comment whether you think it's worth it or not. I created a poll to see whether it is yes, it's worth it, no, it's not. And even though I'm not a PC expert or anything, this is actually my first PC ever that I got since a really long time ago, since I was 10. So I'm excited to see what is possible to do with this PC. I'll see you guys later. Stay safe, stay happy, stay righteous. I have no idea what I'm talking about, but see you guys later. Budget Zero, peace out. Oh, and by the way, this mouse pad, I got it from eBay for around 5 Aussie dollars, which is around 3 US dollars. It looks so badass, so beautiful, so cool. Most importantly, cheap.